Look, guys, welcome to the Brisbane Caravan Show down at the R&A Showgrounds for 2024. We put together an incredible showcase of all the vans that we have on offer. This is our biggest display of the year. We do make a massive effort to be able to bring everything to show you in one place at one time. So it's certainly worth getting down here. I'm here during the show to answer all your questions. I've got a great team here on board as well. So look, come along with me. I'm just going to show you through some of the vans that we've got here. And starting off with our ever popular Hardtop 16-foot hybrid. This is the C layout with a separate toilet shower. Very, very popular. Also available in a pop top as well. Sensational outdoor kitchens, pantry drawers, fridge slide, barbecue slide, our great toolbox. Here we've got our B layout that has the big cabinets up the back with the bigger two-door fridge freezer, combo toilet shower, beautiful big bench over there for all your storage. Again, still featuring our sensational external kitchen and whatnot. Again, the ambience with all the windows is brilliant. Another 16-foot C layout there with the separate toilet and shower. Again, one of our most popular. One of the benefits with the hardtop is you're getting bigger windows and you're also getting the overheads in there. But a lot of vans that you'll see on the market, they have an outdoor kitchen on this side, but they don't have any windows. All right. I know when I'm out somewhere, I don't get to pick which side the beach is on every time. So I want to wake up, look out the window and enjoy the vista of the scenery, especially with the remote places you can get to with these vans. You're going to have some beautiful sceneries to take in. Can't forget the families. We do them in double bunk or triple bunk. Here we've got the 16-foot double bunk. Again, combo toilet shower in the back, nice kitchen in the back there for the ordinary days. Very, very popular. Again, what we're able to jam into a 16-foot van for families is absolutely unrivaled. Really, really practical. And again, moving along, and here we go. We can show you the triple bunk floor plan. Again, very, very popular and incredible amounts of storage. The screen door as well that we're doing now. Again, huge big kitchen. Double bunk pop top, again, very popular. And this is actually my van, and you can tell by the decals. I got my kids to choose it. I got 4 little kids. So we travel away in this one. Well, if not 4 little, I got a 16-year-old. He sleeps outside in the swag. We've got the 3 in there on the bunks. Again, enormous amounts of storage in there. All the drawers go underneath the bottom bunk there and go right into the wall. Even have a slight upgrade for the little sort of lip to go above the wheel arch. So you're using every square inch of the shell. Again, beautiful big bed for mum and dad. Moving down the end, we've got our Nirvana in the new decals here as well. Again, separate toilet shower, showcasing the big dual zone fridge on the outside here. You've got your your slide out sink. You've got your big pantry drawers. You've got your different amber and white lights, all switchable. Again, we're still using the toggle switches because, again, that's the mechanic in me. It just works, all right? You got your slide-in cooker, right? Again, in she goes. Sorry, there. In your slide-out cooker goes. Very, very practical. Also available in induction, but we're also showing you how easy it is to carry a portable induction cooktop. And then with the storage in the van as well. These MSA bags, absolutely sensational, and they fit in there, right? And carry all your bits and bobs perfectly. They do really cool things like cutlery sets, which all fit in here. But again, that just slots in, slide it up, and you get another one in there, etc. And then they've got all different sizes. Again, beauty of this is you can slip it in. Everything stays where it should be. You want to take the bag, you want to take it to the shops and load it up at the shops, or you want to take it in your canopy because you're doing some more remote stuff. Take it inside on a really nasty day. It just gives you a really good practical workspace and storage space. These shelves in here are also got a whole array of nut certs. So if you want to change the height of this shelf or remove this shelf because you've got some other idea that you want to do with this, absolutely, it's already engineered to be able to do that. Again, that's the beauty of all this aluminium cabinetry. So again, with airbag control, very simple to level on site. The beauty of the 16 foots also is that you're getting a ton of payload. And as opposed to a steel spring, an airbag is able to be absolutely smooth at its tear and at its full load, right? You partner that with the ventilated disc brakes and you've got the best undercarriage in the market, right? So, and moving on down to our last fan is the ever popular 14 foot, right? This van sells like hotcakes. It's absolutely practical in the sense that you can take it anywhere you want to. It tracks the same width as your car, like all of the hybrids do. Got a lovely dinette in there, big slide out table, combo toilet shower. You've got a kitchen inside as well. North-south king bed as well. Beautiful external kitchen out here, 96 litre dual zone fridge freezer at the front here, huge big toolbox. I've towed one of these up the old Telegraph track, absolutely sensational. So look guys, we've also got the 16 foot here. We're showing you the Elmac boat loader on the top. So we're the only ones who do the boat loader on top of a hybrid. And as you can see here, we've got the boat trailer on the front. Moving along, you've got your boat on the roof. Comes off the back nice and easy. So there's no compromise now. It's the age-old question of, do we take the caravan or the boat? I now can help you to take both. One of the other cool things that we're showcasing here at the Brisbane show is our outboard mount. Now, it's super strong. It's all gusseted, bolted onto our modular rear bar configuration here. Very easy. We've got a little arm that slips into this sleeve here. Put a pulley on it. You pulley the motor up, slide it on, tighten the Rolex up, and it's always going to be there. Super strong rear bar. So with our bar being a chassis extension up, it's incredibly strong, as opposed to being a bar that slides in and is held on by U-bolts, where threads can fatigue and bouncing can happen. That will never happen with this. So being able to put things like outboard mounts, outboard motors and stuff on the back of your van, never have you found a better option with the strength of this bar, the strength of this bracket, awesomely practical. And yeah, the start of many cool things to come.